Hi students. Today in language study we are going to learn a new topic, common nouns. Students, already we have learned two type of nouns in second chapter, that is proper nouns and common nouns. Now in this chapter we are going to learn common nouns which are in two forms, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Yes, students, the common noun such as things, animals, which can be counted are called countable nouns. And some common nouns such as the things which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Yes, student, the common noun which can be counted is countable nouns, and the common noun which cannot be counted is uncountable nouns. Now students, let us see. Countable nouns have two forms. One singular and plural. Okay? Can you see the examples given here? For singular, can you see the words? For example, boy, girl, dog, tree, chair is given. Children, you all know what is the plural form for these words? For boy? Yes, boys. And for girl? Girls. And for dog? Dogs. Tree? Trees. And for chair? Yes, of course, it is chairs. Yes, students. Now see the image, how nicely it is divided. Common noun is divided into two parts to show the two forms. Yes, what are the two parts? Yes, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Below countable nouns, we can see two forms. What are they? Yes, singular and plural. Yes, children, some words are given for the singular and plural. So, the words which are given that can be counted. And in other side, some words are given. Just water, gold, sky. These words which we cannot count. Yes, students, I hope you understood countable and uncountable nouns. Students, now we move on to English workshop. I request you all to read or revise the lesson as it is taught to you, and underline the difficult words and write 3 times in your notebooks. Students, note down your assignments. Question number 1. Find the meaning. Students, you can see 6 meanings are given. Just copy down it in your notebook. Yes, students. Now write question number 2. Give one word for. Students, after question number 2, write question number 3. Match the column. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Students, 5 questions are given and you will find the answers from the lesson. Okay? Students, not only this 5 question you will solve. You have to solve the factual question also, which is given in your textbook. Now the last question is activity. Students, 2 activities are given for you. You will do the activity in the last page of your English notebook. Students, whatever question given for your workshop, or assignment or activity, you will write everything in your English notebook only, not in any full scape paper. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Bye.